and welcome to the Season 3 premiere of everyone's favorite game show, ECTV Playz. I'm Logan Zimmerman.
I'm Ella Monthei.
I'm Veith.
And I'm Brian Duva.
Today we will be putting our cooking skills to the test in Overcooked 2 survival mode.
Our goal is to keep cooking and completing orders for as long as possible.
By completing orders, we keep our time going. Each order we complete adds 2 seconds to the timer.
But as a twist, every 30 seconds we must rotate controllers with each other.
Now that we know the rules, let's get to cooking.
Yeah, and do we get a tutorial?
No.
Okay, we don't need one. We're
Let me
good.
try to buzz. What do I just hit? Do I hit B? Okay, there we go.
This is gonna end real well.
Mm-hmm.
So is it the objective just to like get as much food done
Yep.
as possible?
Yep, just
Oh,
last
okay.
as long as possible.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Serve as
brother.
many customers as you can.
I'm about to become real useless.
Oh no.
I didn't
All
read
right,
it.
which one is
Okay.
me?
Oh, who is who here?
I'm red.
I'm blue.
I'm
for
yellow. Got it.
I'm
All right.
green.
All right.
Let me get this.
Oh, fucking.
I figure out how to chop food.
Yep, I'll put you. Okay. How do I place?
I don't remember how to do this.
I don't know what goes in what. Oh, this goes in the pot. Okay.
Oh, brother.
Rice goes in the pot.
Okay, but
So
how?
get some
You
seaweed.
go up to it, hit right button, I think. Whichever one's on the
Aha.
right. Yeah.
Got it.
All right. Rice.
Okay. Oh, I think I got it. Wait.
There. Is this one done?
Oh,
I think this
brother.
one's done.
I don't know who I am.
I'm blue.
Oh, wait a minute.
Cool. Yellow.
I'm green. I'm a turtle. All right. Oh, this is burning. Oh. Is this ready?
All right.
Is I'm gonna go put this over here. That's
Put
not
the
ready,
pot on the
actually.
rice.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Okay, the rice
Where?
is in there.
Okay. What? Okay.
Making as much rice as I can.
We need it. Oh wait, there's a complete order here.
Yeah, go put that in.
What? There we go.
How, what?
Is this a complete order?
How do you know?
I don't know. I think I just put an incomplete order on the thing.
Yeah, I don't think that was ready.
Oh, okay, I
Ouch.
figured something out. Chop.
Wait, I'm getting this.
Dang, I just figured out how
Oh,
to
sorry,
use
I
the
forgot.
knife.
I
Oh
forgot.
god. Oh no, I have the pot of rice.
Put it here.
Where am
Put
I?
the right here. Right here. You can complete the order. Not in that
Oh,
one.
no.
Somebody
Okay,
bumped me out of the
well,
way. There we go. Is that completed? Oh
I got
yeah.
rice in that one.
Where are the rice pots? Why is this one off
I'm
on the
just getting
side?
pushed around by these customers.
How do I cut?
Top buttons.
Yeah.
Top button.
I think.
Oh,
at
it's
least.
Y for
Oh,
me.
it needs a
on
Yeah,
this
it
one.
changes depending on what controller you have.
Oh no.
Wait, I'm low-key getting this.
A few moments later.
Why is there rice on the cutting board?
I put that there by accident. That's on me, yo. Wait, I'm low-key getting this.
Rice.
Put it there. Put the rice here.
Somebody took
Complete the order.
Why can't I put it down?
Is it cooked rice?
Oh, this
It's
one's
not.
done.
Is it
Dying?
cooked?
Like,
Is it
this
just,
one?
is it
It's
just
not
raw?
cooked.
Oh my,
That's
it was
raw
just, it was
rice.
just raw.
That is raw. That is raw. I can't even separate it. It's raw. Raw.
Oh, it's not telling us.
Ouch.
Where am I?
Oh, there's
on
tomatoes.
Salad.
Oh, we have to clean the
Come on,
plates
I don't
this
know.
time.
Salad.
Lettuce, tomato.
Let me come back.
Oh, I'm trying to move.
Never mind. I just threw the salad off the earth.
Well, why is it on fire?
What?
What? How do we put out the fire?
I don't know how we put out the fire.
I don't.
Is there a fire extinguisher
There's
somewhere?
2 fires.
Oh, it's just gonna stay there.
Where? Is that?
Ow! Yo, I'm actually dying.
Oh, yeah, it is fire.
Ooh. Are you now?
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah,
my
now I'm
God.
trapped back
It's
here.
thundering.
Please.
Where's the plates
If you
at?
move, I need to put cucumber on
Oh,
that.
the plates
I'm
are
in the
dirty.
way, but I
You
don't
gotta
know.
clean the plates.
Clean the plates?
Yeah, you gotta clean them.
Yeah. Wrap it up for me.
Oh, I'm not carrying the plate anymore.
I have
Who
a
am I?
dirty plate. Wait.
Red.
Oh, I know where to clean.
It's moving.
Oh no, it's
Oh no.
some tomato.
I have lettuce. Where am I putting it?
In a plate. We don't have any plates out. It's
Somebody
in the
wash,
sink.
somebody
In
wash
the
a
sink.
plate.
I'm trying.
I'm clean.
Oh, I'm back here.
Yep.
I'm holding the lettuce, Will.
Oh, I needed you to clean the
Put it on-
plates.
Wait, there's a clean one. How do I?
Take it out. Why'd you
Okay,
push
plates,
me?
plates are clean.
Put it on top of the box.
I have the lettuce.
I'm getting body
Why'd
blocked.
served.
No. No.
Okay, I got
Oh my God.
I got cucumber. Where's the
New plate down here.
Up.
Oh, we
Down
did
we
crash.
go.
I don't know what we're doing. Oh wait,
Oh,
no,
what?
that's right.
Oh,
Now
Oh, I'm in blue.
oh,
I'm
yeah.
blue. Oh, I'm
I
trapped.
still have the lettuce in my hand.
I have cucumber. Anybody need a
oh,
cucumber?
we have
Oh, I
we
just
have
threw the
conveyors
cucumber.
for sushi
I did that
now?
I
already.
didn't mean to do that.
Do
Oh.
conveyors for fish and sushi now?
Oh yes,
wait.
yes we do. Yeah.
I'm not moving.
I just did the tomato.
Oh, yes,
Do we
I
have this order is wrong and
Wait,
bad?
hang on. Wait. I have cucumber. Put it back.
We don't need cucumber.
Yeah, we do.
We
Yeah.
don't
we
want
need
cucumber.
lettuce and tomato.
If it has cucumber, we gotta get rid of it. Where's
Yeah, okay.
tomato?
Up here. That.
There's a tomato
Oh.
plate.
Yeah.
I'm holding it.
Oh my lord.
I got it.
Yeah.
Alright, whoever I was just cutting, please go take that to the tomato plate.
Who was
Oh, it's
Cucumber. Oh, it's an avocado.
there. What do I?
Oh,
wait,
we need to-
I pick it up and I put it in
Why
there.
did I put it on the cutting board?
A few moments later.
Wait, the mouse needs to cut first.
Oh, whoops.
That's all right.
Oh, we just need a bunch of lettuce.
Yeah.
Why did I grab a
I got
cucumber
one.
Oh,
then?
there we go. There we go.
No!
We're doing so good.
Well,
Wow.
We only got
we
5.
Orders
five.
failed.
That's-
3. Yeah.
How much is in the bin? Look! Look! What the?
This one will be fine, probably.
oh.
You know what? Maybe not.
Yeah.
Do we have to
this-
jump across the raft?
Oh
Well, I
my.
think we're separated.
Do
Or
we
do
have?
we jump?
I think.
Oh, we're
I think we
separated.
pass things between the sides. I don't know.
Is that what it is? Or is
Thank
this,
goodness
I
I've been
forget the-
accidentally launching things, so now
Wait,
I know what the
Oh, now it
Yeah.
tells you.
Wait,
Now
what's
you
the
need
button?
to.
'Cause I
It's
don't know.
it's whatever your top one
It's
is.
the top
Oh,
button.
oh, okay, okay.
Okay.
So now it tells you how to throw.
Yes.
You've learned.
Yeah, okay,
Oh,
we're
they're gonna,
separated.
It's gonna move back
Yeah.
and forth.
Oh,
Who
you have
am
to.
I?
Oh,
I'm the
I need to be
mouse.
past things.
Oh, we have a fire extinguisher over
You
here.
got somebody's got to
Oh,
launch.
I'm the turtle.
Yeah, I need.
Launch me something.
I need things to be launched.
Yep, give me that. Oh, I threw it. Throw me one again.
Another?
Oh, I just threw it in the water.
I threw chicken.
Yep, cutting the chicken. Hang on, launching it back. Get ready, coming
All right,
over.
all right,
Did that go
Whoa.
in the water?
Clean.
Somebody tossed me a potato.
all right. That's on you, turtle.
There's a potato on the floor.
Oh, that's
Oh, I
Oh,
found it.
my rat.
Here, I'm gonna
Oh,
throw
I'm up
somebody a
here.
potato.
I threw
Okay, I
a
got
potato.
You know,
Oh, the chicken's gonna burn.
chicken's burning.
The potatoes are burning.
I'm gonna throw these.
That's just
in
a
a
potato. Oh,
You can probably throw it from there.
Boom.
those are the fries. Okay. We don't have to wash anything in this one, do we?
I don't think
I
so.
don't think
Okay,
so.
good. Oh, I made that one on the table. There's a potato on your table over
Where?
there.
Get the potato before it burns.
Potato on table.
I got it.
Where?
Oh, I forgot who I am.
The
Coming
fries
back.
gonna burn. Fries gonna burn.
What's
I
happening?
know, I'm trying to. Okay.
Put it on a plate. Put the potato on. Yeah, there you go.
We have just a
How do I get
chicken.
rid of it?
Have we completed any orders?
I don't think
Where do
so.
we?
Okay. Well,
Wait, wait.
here are a few.
There's
Yeah, I
one.
know. Oh wait, I need chicken nuggets on this one.
Oh, okay, I have chicken. All right. Well, the plate's ready. Just gotta put it away.
Oh, yeah,
They're not cooked yet.
Do we have an order of just chicken?
I threw the chicken overboard.
I also just threw the French fries across the map. I can't see. Is there
Okay.
anything on my cutting board? Somebody
need-
throw me something. Let me cut something.
We need a lot of. We need.
Tossing.
We have an order of pure
Not
chicken.
getting on a plate.
I'm just gonna toss a bunch of stuff.
I just watched you throw that.
No, we needed those.
Oh, my bad.
Chicken done. Go on the plate. Chicken
You can do it. We
We need
believe.
chicken. We need lots of chicken.
Throwing chicken.
I picked up the uncooked chicken.
I dropped the chicken in the water.
I threw the chicken in the water. I'm
I-
chumming.
Oh, we need a plate of just fries. It's convenient.
Oh, chicken burning. Chicken burning.
Chicken burning.
Oh, it's me. Wait,
Got
is
it.
it? No,
Got
it's
it.
not.
Got it.
W plus. Oh no, we're low on time.
Wait,
French fries
potatoes
Why
burning.
did I
Potatoes
not
burning.
put them on the...
Potato required.
Hello? Oh, they
We
might
got
need to
it.
be cooked.
Oh,
Chicken
this is
cooking.
so
You gotta put it in the
wraps.
fryer.
This is so wraps.
It wouldn't let me.
I think it.
Well,
I think
you need
we're
it in
good,
a
guys.
frying basket.
Oh.
Oh wait, that's not the.
Was that our
We did
best
better.
one yet? Yeah, I was
Yeah.
gonna say,
Yeah,
was
it
that our
was.
best one? Okay.
Okay. Wasn't awful.
That wasn't too
We got
bad.
10 and there were only 2 failed ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty. Well, thank you all so much for joining us on this episode of ECTV Playz.
We will see you all in 2 weeks for another exciting episode. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at ECTV40 and YouTube at ECTV40 to know when all your favorite shows release a new episode. I'm Ella Monthei.
I'm Brian Duva.
And I'm Will Veith. Have a tasty night.